So we're gonna pretend that our marshmallow sound wave is a sound wave, and let's see if it bounces. Yo, I'm Mnemonic, and this is my son, Wesley. Hello! Just like marshmallows, sound waves bounce. Now, this is not a physics class, but Wesley and I are going to understand echo using marshmallows, and then later on, I'll show you what that looks like when you're making music. Here we go. Wesley is eating marshmallow sound waves. Watch the video about compression. That'll make sense. But now we're going to talk about echo. Can you say echo?
Echo.
Does it help when you have lots of marshmallows in your mouth? What toy do you have that makes an echo?
I don't have one.
What about your microphone?
Yeah, that one makes echo.
Well, I brought it today. What does echo do?
They help you listen to things.
Echo helps you listen to things. Okay.
Help you hear. You can eat this one because it's a little.
You want me to eat that? Hold on, I have an idea. How about to explain what echo does, we use the rest of this kind of slimy marshmallow that you chewed on. Do you think sound waves are bouncy?
No.
You don't think sound waves bounce?
I think so.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna pretend that our marshmallow sound wave is a sound wave, and let's see if it bounces. Okay, how about we don't get one that's sticky? Let's see if I can make it into the trash can. No, we'll pick that up later. It is okay.
We can clean it up.
Yeah, we can clean it up later. All right, let's take this one and drop it and see if it bounces. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you tell me when.
When?
Did you see it bounce?
Yeah.
Let's do it one more time. Watch down here. Watch it. It bounced, right? Just a little bit?
Yeah.
Marshmallows and sound waves are bouncy, and when sound bounces off things, it can start to echo and bounce around. So when you say something, it'll bounce back at you, and you hear it again. And that's what an echo is.
My burps smell like marshmallows now.
Okay, Wesley, now you gotta show everybody how your mic works, because this has echo, right? Okay, turn on the echo switch. Marshmallows
are good.
That was good. That was good. Echo.
Echo.
Does that make sense? Right? It's good.
It's good.
It's good. And marshmallows are good too.
Yeah, they're super sweet.
Okay, bouncing marshmallows and karaoke microphones aside, let me show you what echo looks like when you're actually making music, featuring the sponsor of this series, BandLab. I have a simple project here with 2 tracks, some lo-fi drums, and then a marshmallow synth is what we'll call it. The marshmallow synth by itself is not bouncing. It's a nice sound, but I want to add some movement with an echo. When I do that, you'll hear how it changes. Bring the drums back in. Aw, yeah, nothing better than a little bounce. Now, in most audio production software, there's gonna be some type of echo thing, some type of effect that you can use to add echo to your sounds. And it's gonna have 3 main controls. The mix, which is how loud the echo is going to be compared to the original sound, how fast the echo is gonna be, and then also the feedback, how long that echo is going to bounce. For example, we could turn up the mix to hear the echo more. Or we can change the delay or the speed to have a short echo or a fast echo. Then we can also change the feedback, which is how long that echo is going to go for, and this is kind of fun to mess with sometimes. It's just going. Those are some bouncy marshmallows. Using echo gives things space. It makes things move just a little bit more. With that being said, thanks for being here. Special thanks to my amazing son, Wesley. You did an incredible job. And to BandLab for sponsoring this entire musical series of fun. Keep watching right here. Subscribe for more videos. And as always, make more music. Peace.